please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Okay, today I have a really dope Xtool wood project that I did that I'm so proud of. I don't know if you're like me, but if you have a teacher that you absolutely love and you're always trying to figure out what you should get them, these gift card holders are amazing, especially for the holidays. But it doesn't have to be just for teachers. It could be for anybody, co-workers, friends, family, whatever. But let me show you what it looks like. You guys, do you see how adorable this is? This is for Madison's teacher, okay? I absolutely love Madison's teachers. I have a couple favorites, and I'm going to make some of these. They are so cute, but like I said, and it's just a gift card holder. This is my business card. It's not a gift card, but it's so dope. I'm going to show you how I made it with my Xtool back here. My M1 Xtool. This is so adorable, so cute, so easy to make, and I'm 100% in love with this project. Do you hear me? But like I said, it doesn't have to be just for teachers. It could be for anybody, and especially if they love coffee. This is literally so cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I made it on my Xtool, my M1 Xtool, and then we're just going to jump right into it. I do have so much stuff coming, like some paints and markers and different things like that coming, but right now we just gonna show you how I made this. I think this is so adorable, and it's great and perfect for Christmas time, and I'm literally in love with it. So if you like my channel, if you like this video, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you can know when videos go up. So let's just jump right into this video. Let's go. So let me show you where I got the file from. I did get this from Etsy gift card holder SVG. Thanks a latte SVG. And they have actually a couple other ones, but this was the one I got for this project, and I absolutely love it. I do want to point out it's on sale now. It wasn't on sale when I got it, so y'all make sure y'all get it while it's on sale. Okay, so let's get to it. I will be using that same 3mm basswood plywood that I used before. Okay, so I already imported it. I went to File, Import Image, and then I imported the SVG already. Once I did that, it came up looking like this, but I moved it around. So on the directions, it says red is to cut, black is to engrave, okay? So this is the black portion, this is the black portion, and these are the cuts. So I'm going to engrave it first, and then I'm going to cut it. This was the ornament that I used the last time. So red cut, black engrave, red cut, black engrave. So I'm going to engrave it first, and then I'm going to cut it, and we're going to see how this works. So this one and this one's going to get engraved. Okay, so let's see what we're going to do. We're going to use the 3mm basswood plywood. It's on the prisms. We're going to auto measure it. And then I want to select this portion to engrave. Can we do multiple engravings at a time? Engrave. And then cut. And you see that? We got to make sure it's on there because it moved. This is going to be a cut. And that's going to be a cut. Yeah, I've never done multiple things at one time. So we're going to engrave and cut. And we're going to see if this works or not. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, baby. So let's go ahead and process it. Oh, it's going to take a minute. Let me get my stuff out the dryer first then. So typically it's been taking about double this time. So we're going to assume maybe an hour. let's get to it. It actually took about 45 minutes. So that's how the screen looked, and then this is me pressing it. I just wanted to show y'all how it looked in real time. It finished. It looks so good. Now we moving along. All right. Look at the process bar. So remember, it said 26 minutes. We only a couple minutes over and we almost done. So it may not take double. So I'm excited about that, but we gonna see how long it takes. Oh, it's getting to the bottom. We about to get to cutting in a minute. I'm so excited. Oh, sucky, sucky. You guys, we are done. It was a little bit of scorching at the bottom, but that's okay. Look how good it looks. Oh, let's pull it out. Okay, so let me turn my smoke purifier off. Okay, and my fan down. All right, y'all. So this is how my wood looks after my ornament, and then now my gift card holder. It's a little bit scorched, a little bit, not too bad. But look at this engraving. Oh my goodness. This engraving. Y'all, this looks so good. And this is the part that goes in the middle. So we could actually put the gift card inside of there. See that? Oh, wait, scoot it up. So this is the part that goes in the middle. And then this goes on top and the gift card goes there. And we just glue it. Now I do have some paint coming. So if I wanted to paint the cup, or I could get some from anywhere. If I wanted to like paint that or anything like that, I could. And that's how it looks. Look how stinking cute. Now what I am going to do is, I heard alcohol gets this off. So we about to see. Okay. So I'm just going to see. I don't know if it works or not, but we're going to see. And that part nobody can see, so nobody cares. And we literally just glue this stuff together. Oh, okay, I see. It's the soot from the sides. So I'm like, what is that getting on there? See that? It's the soot from the sides. I'm so excited because I didn't do no type of research or nothing. I never saw anybody, it's coming off, do engraving and cut. I haven't really seen that many videos. I'm trying to figure out what video I ever even saw, period. But anywho, be careful you don't want to get a splinter. Because I for sure don't want to get a splinter. So I'm going to look into all of those things. But yeah, that is working. But look how cute this is. Y'all already know I'm about to say I'm in love. I am in love. Let me go see if I can find a gift card or something. So, I couldn't find a gift card, but I found my card. So cute. So, I do have my Gorilla Glue, wood glue coming, but I'm just going to see if this is just some binding glue. It's super glue, y'all, not binding glue. Photos and stuff, I'm going to see how this works. But I do have my actual wood glue coming. Okay, y'all? So we just about to see how this works. Whew. Okay, just for the sake of the video. But it's on the way, y'all. It's in the mail. Okay, I got glue everywhere. But it works. It's on there. Look at the side, the bottom, the other side, the top. It works. This glue on my hands, so I made a mistake and squeezed it. And it's so smooth. All right. You could just slide it in there. That is so cute. Stop playing. Oh my goodness. Adorable. I love it. I'm so happy. Now I think I might sell these. So fun, so easy, so cool to make. It was my first time engraving and cutting, and y'all see I figured that out real quick, y'all, that you could do both at the same time. That is just so dope. This little machine, baby, it is so amazing. My link will be down in the description because it's so many deals and so many things going on right now for this machine, so make sure that you check that link out. But I'm in love with this machine. I'm in love with this project, and like I said, stay tuned because I have some Gorilla Glue, wood glue coming. I have some acrylic markers coming. I have a bunch of stuff coming, y'all. So stay tuned so we can do more wood projects, and we about to get down to the nitty-gritty with it, so I'm so excited. And that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, Do Dream One is a handle, TikTok, Do Dream One is a handle, and I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there here. Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.